Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominick, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action. Give yourself the gift of being present, being here. So do whatever you need to do to release that 21st century tendency to multitask. And allow yourself to be in a place where you are open to fully receive. And then to really solidify that decision, I invite you to close your eyes. And if you're somewhere where you can't physically close your eyes, and just pull down that shade on your inner eye. Just feel your energy just turn and focus inward. And then together, let's take in a deep breath. Deep breath in, and let it out. And then again, deep breath in, and let it out. And one more time for the power of 3. Deep breath in, and let it out. And with your eyes still closed, I invite you to continue to breathe deep. And together we just connect in to the heart energy of sharing why we are in business in the first place. Connecting into the passion that brought us to the business of our choice, the business of our dreams. Taking a moment to recollect, why this business? What is it about coaching? Or what is it about supporting people with systems, or staging people's homes, or healing people's animals, or whatever the essence and focus of your business is? What is it about that is just so joyful to you? You feel so strongly about, you really truly believe in. Just let yourself connect into that now. And as you connect into that passion, as you connect into that essence, connecting into the heart of your business, I invite you now to take that connecting in energy and extend it out. To feel yourself opening willingly to share your passion with others. It's almost as if the visual is, light beams coming into your heart as you connect in with your passion, and then those light beams multiplying as they move back out, fanning out as far as your inner eye can see, touching, reaching, connecting with all of those sacred contracts, your ideal clients that you are meant to serve. Truly the simple act of sharing. Disconnecting from your head and all the things that must be done, and connecting in with your heart, the essence, the passion, and then opening that connection to share with others. And I know for myself, when I just bring it back to that simplicity of it's just the act of sharing, it's the act of connecting in to my own passion, and then it's the act of sharing that passion with others. When I'm able to just really be there, then all of the whole business stuff isn't so complicated. It just really comes down to that basic, connecting in and sharing out. And this is the energy that we activate together right here and right now. Take a deep breath in and let it out. Beautiful. Allow your eyes to come back on open if they've been closed, or pull up that shade on your inner eye. And feel yourself present and perhaps more ready to receive exactly what you're meant to receive. My intention is that this Business Miracles activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And if now you're ready to learn how to use your highly sensitive abilities to really support you in being purposeful, profitable, and empowered, then I invite you to take my free self-quiz to find out if you are indeed a highly sensitive entrepreneur. And if you are, along with your results, you'll receive my free HSE Success Guide, which will teach you how to have your highly sensitive abilities working for you to create the results you desire in your business. Take the quiz and receive your free success guide now at www.hsequiz.com. hsequiz.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.